He really does need help. And when you go to jail and you get out, it's supposed to be reformed, but yet they let him out and they're on their own.
When this mother begged for her son not to come home because of his addiction, the judge responded with a hard truth. Consequences come before treatment.
Your Honor, Mr. Allen has 214 days of jail time credit that should be applied, I believe, to the 2024 case. The defendant was granted opportunities to be on community control initially in his case in 2024. He violated that soon thereafter. The court granted him another opportunity to be out in the community under electronic monitor. That lasted for a period of 2 days. Under the circumstances, I think the defendant's proven he's not amenable to community control, and we would ask to impose prison sentence.
And speaking with Mr. Allen throughout the process of this case, what led to the ankle monitor being removed, he had happen. And that's actually what happened this exact day when this monitor came off. Knew it was a bad idea. It was caught a couple of days later. While he does have a record, it's largely non-violent. It really is what I call self-destructive crimes. He's been very remorseful and very respectful and engaged in his defense in this matter. And I think the 214 days that he's been in jail have allowed him to regain his sobriety. And so what we're asking, Your Honor, is to consider a CBCF program for him.
In regards to what he's saying, it's true. I've been finding myself to make my situations worse than they are. I've been to prison 6 times. It seems like every time that I go, that I lose a part of me. But I do take full responsibility to everything that I have done. But what I haven't done is take care of the real problem, and that's issue. And I really need to take care of that.
I get what you're saying about problem being to prison before. You know, we put you on probation, gave you some rules to live by, and it didn't really go that well. It seems like Mr. Allen doesn't want you to speak, ma'am. Who is this?
That's my mother.
That's okay.
If I may say, he's not telling a story when he says he has a real bad issue. And it seemed like bad as I want him to come home, I don't. Because I'm afraid he'll do good and then you back out there. He needs to be in a program, a long-term program. I'm his mom. I love him and I support him. He really does need help. And when you go to jail and you get out, it's supposed to be reformed, but yet they let him out and they're on their own. Getting that help that you need, and they'll say, well, we can't help him. We're just here to do this and he's on probation and that's it. Now, if he wants help, he can go here and there. It's easy said than done. I haven't been on it, but I've watched the struggle. I really have. He's not a bad person. He's really not. It's just, it has a hole on him. It really does. That's all I wanted to say.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
All right.
You're convicted of a specific crime. The problem that I have is I just can't send you straight to a program based upon your criminal offense, because then I have everybody who I let loose on a monitor is going to cut them off and make a run for it. There is a punishment that is required in this case. I am in the 24 case. I'm going to impose 214 days in jail. I'm going to credit you the 214 days that you have already done. I'm going to shut that part of the case down. In the new case, I'm going to sentence you to 24 months in prison.